How to recover a Telegram hacked account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover hacked Telegram account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if your account has been hacked, then you can contact to their support center. For that, open up Google Chrome in your device, head towards the search bar, and in the search bar you have to type in Telegram support. Now head towards the first link. Now once you land on this interface, you can submit a request to Telegram support. First of all, you have to describe your problem, and under that text you can type in "My account has been hacked, so help me to recover it." After that, provide all your contact details such as your email, phone number and your location. Under that, you have to type in your full name with your email and phone number. After that, tap and submit button, and then your request or your issue will be submitted to the Telegram support, and they will get back to you with the solution and will help you recover your account. So make sure to follow all the instructions and prompts from the Telegram support in order to recover your account. So that is the way to recover your hacked Telegram account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.